Coming up on this final Commodore News broadcast of the 2018-19 school year, we'll take a look at the drama club here at Maury. We'll also get you up to speed with Maury's last hopes in state competition. Commodore News is on. Welcome to Commodore News for Tuesday, June 4th. I'm Justin Richards. Things are wrapping up for this school year, and Maury's last survivors in state competition completed their seasons. In tennis, the boys and girls tennis teams ran into a buzzsaw called the Mills Godwin Eagles, dropping 5-0 decisions in the state quarterfinals. In outdoor track, the Maury girls finished third in the Class 5A state championship meet. Raquel Hawkins was an individual champion in the triple jump. Maeve Stiles, Janice Hasbury, and Destiny Hooks finished third in their events. Earlier this year, the Maury Drama Club competed in the Region 5A one-act play competition. Commodore News correspondent Keaton Brown has more.
Catherine is my best friend, and she can tell you I'm not stuck up. I would have gone anyways, except I was so mad at my mother.
Emily's not stuck up a bit. Emily used to date all the boys before she began going with Leo steadily. She even had a date with Gus and Meredith, and none of the other girls would go with him because...
A group of students from Maury's theater program recently participated in the one-act play festival at Salem High School. This is the strongest effort to date from Maury, and it capitalizes on the enthusiasm built by plays presented in the last 2 years.
Thoughts about what happened today?
I thought they did awesome. There was a couple little hiccups, but they recovered really well from them, and I think this was probably their best performance, and they did absolutely fantastic. I'm really proud of them.
Catherine is my best friend, and she can tell you I'm not stuck up. I would have gone anyways, except I was so mad at my mother.
Emily's not stuck up a bit. Emily used to date all the boys before she began going with Leo steadily. She even had a date with Gus and Meredith, and none of the other girls would go with him because they thought he was so fat and unattractive. But Emily said she wouldn't hurt his feelings for the world and went with him. Didn't you, Emily?
Uh-huh.
When you're in drama, you're able to get a script and get an introduction of a character, and you're able to express yourself in a different way through that character. So if you have a different personality, and you can put your different emotions into that character. I like that drama club's like a big family. We're all really close, and our performances just bring us really closer. And so you always have a friend to talk to, and it's just really nice. The weekend of June 7th and 8th, we have our 3 one-acts performing, The Dancers and Zombies. And it's a bunch of one-acts, all directed by the students.
The drama club performs on Friday and Saturday, June 8th and 9th at 6 p.m. Tickets are $5 for students, $7 for adults. For Commodore News, I'm Keaton Brown.
By the way, the drama club will present 3 one-act plays this weekend, with 2 shows on Friday and Saturday at 6 p.m. Now, here's what's happening at MHS. Remember, yearbooks are still available for $55, but they're going fast. Also, graduation is Monday at 1 p.m. with a rehearsal followed by the senior picnic this Friday. That's a wrap for Commodore News for this year. I'm Justin Richards. Have a great summer.
Ain't nobody got time for that.